What's up, traders? How you doing, friends? Still got my lucky t-shirt on. It's Justin with Good Kids Trading. If you haven't joined our Discord, what are you waiting for? I mean, look at these cool people in this AI graphic that I created. I mean, you're missing out hanging out with these cool people. Okay, maybe not these people, but we do have some cool people in our Discord. You're busy, I'm busy. I thought, how many charts can I look at in 5 minutes? And since I've already wasted 34 seconds, let's get started with a few charts that I'm looking at. I'm really looking at Las Vegas Sands. Do you see what I see? Is this going to be a possible double bottom? I don't know if it's going to be a double bottom, but what I do see is we have a nice bullish candle here, closing above all the daily EMAs. I like that. With Marvell, I see about the same thing, right? I see pretty much a possible double bottom forming, but I really like this uptrend. I like this uptrend. What I would like to see is I would like to see maybe a retest. I don't know if we'll take out this candle. If we take out this candle, that might not be super bullish, but I like to catch it maybe around in here. I think this looks like a decent trade. Put your stop down here. Get you get you a little get you a little bit over 1 hour. Can you push it to 1.5? I would probably just look for 1.2, right? Cisco. I don't know. You guys, you might know me, you might not know me. I don't really love Cisco, but I tell you what I do see here. I see compression. And when I see compression, that's good because that means we're either going to break higher or we're going to break lower. I don't know which way we're going to break. It's really up to the charts. The only thing that really worries me a little bit about a bullish trade is I have a purple line here. That means that there's some weekly or monthly support. So it does have some resistance to the top. I'm not going to make any jokes, but I wouldn't mind taking this one short. I don't know why I like to lose on shorting Cisco, but like all day long. If we close below this breakout, right? But at the same time, I'm not biased. I would still take a long position on this one. I think this looks pretty decent. Like I said, we do have some headwinds. I mean, are you going to go with a really tight stop, to try to get to here? It just doesn't look like it's that great of a risk to reward. I mean, you have some room to run if you can close above the moving average. I still think I would like to take Cisco short. Roblox. We're in this trade. A lot of us are in this trade in our Discord. Been kind of tough. We're in a cover strangle. I think I know for myself, I'm collecting really good premium on Roblox. I kind of like. Do you guys see the charts that I'm seeing? It's like I seem to see the same thing every time, right? I'm looking for like higher lows. Look, we're retesting the higher lows, but it was still high. Possible double bottom here, right? I think Roblox looks pretty good. We're selling premium on this one. We have 100 shares. We're selling some calls. We're selling some puts every week. And we are reducing our cost basis. I talk about this all the time. But I don't know. This looks pretty good to me. I like this. I like this chart. I mean, you got a nice 1.2. I think you do have a moving average here. I know you have some headwinds here, but Roblox looks like it could bounce. Now, if it doesn't close above these moving averages, if this gets taken out tomorrow, I wouldn't take this trade. I like Roblox here. We got some Schlumberger. I don't even know if I think they renamed this one, right? Did they rename this one? I'm not sure. I got to keep going. I think Roblox. I think Schlumberger looks really good for a breakout here. Will I get stopped out? I don't know. I think there's a lot of room to run. I think this is a pretty decent looking trade. Lows. Uh, is this a is this just a little flag? Are we about to continue higher? Very possibly. What am I looking for? Short. I need a little negative delta. Um, I don't hate this trade. Not a whole lot of risk to reward here. Will I take it? Maybe not. But I do want to see how this candle closes. If we take out these candles here, you definitely could see it coming down to right in this area for sure. NextEra Energy never really have done great in this stock, but I've been looking at it for a little while. Look at this line, and you're like, what are these lines, right? I'm on the daily chart. Well, let's look over at the weekly. Do you see what I see on the weekly? It's the same thing that I see on the dailies, right? Possible double bottom. We are right at the neckline. We're right at the neckline here. This doesn't look terrible. Will I take it? I don't mind putting a little risk here. I really don't. I think there is a good opportunity for some upside potential depending on how we open tomorrow. So take a look at NextEra. I think I'm right at 5 minutes, so I'm not going to talk about what I see on Palantir. But is this a possible Head and Shoulders, or are we going to go higher? I don't know. We'll find out. Have a good day. Justin, Good Kiss Trading. Check us out. See you next time.